Internet Download Manager, IDM, is a highly effective tool for managing and accelerating downloads, renowned for its efficiency and speed. IDM optimizes file download speeds up to 5 times the normal rate, thanks to its intelligent dynamic file segmentation technology, which splits files into smaller segments to download them simultaneously. One of IDM's most praised features is its seamless integration with virtually any internet browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, among others. This integration simplifies the process of capturing download links directly from web pages, which significantly streamlines the workflow and saves time. IDM automatically handles pop-up download dialogues without user intervention, making the experience smooth and user-friendly. Another significant advantage of IDM is its ability to resume interrupted downloads. This is particularly useful when dealing with unstable internet connections or when downloading large files. IDM can restart broken or interrupted downloads caused by lost connections, network problems, computer shutdowns, or unexpected power outages, ensuring that users do not have to start the download process from scratch. IDM also includes a site grabber feature that can download whole websites for offline viewing. This tool is invaluable for researching and capturing large amounts of data quickly. Furthermore, IDM supports various proxy servers, FTP and HTTP protocols, firewalls, redirects, cookies, authorization, and audio and video content processing. For advanced users, IDM offers extensive customization options through its user interface, which can be tailored to fit individual preferences. The program also includes features like download scheduling, which allows users to manage their downloads during off-peak hours or according to their ISP's limitations. While IDM is a robust tool, it is primarily designed for Windows operating systems, which might be a limitation for users on other platforms. Additionally, the interface, while functional, can appear dated compared to the sleeker designs of newer software applications. In conclusion, Internet Download Manager is an indispensable utility for those who frequently download large files or multiple data streams simultaneously.